In this short video, I'm gonna touch on the usage of it in Balochi language. In English language, you can use it at the beginning of a sentence, as in, it is Monday. However, in Balochi language, we don't use it in the same way. Instead, ye, meaning this, can be used at the beginning of a sentence. The Baluchi word for it is e. So it would translate to e, and you can only use the Balochi e as a tag-along version of it. For example, war means eat in Balochi. Bewar is to eat. Bewari would translate to eat it, or you can just say wari, eat it. I'll give you a few other examples. To say do in Baluchi, we say can. Do it would translate to kani. Can, e, do it. Or you can say bekani. When you are asking someone to do something, you just say bekani. To say don't do it, we would say ma kan e, makani. So don't do it would translate to ma kan e. To say hold it in Baluchi, we say bedari, bedari, bedari. Or you can just say Dori. To say don't hold it in Baluchi, we say Madori. Don't hold it, Madori. This is how we use it in Baluchi language.